Samsung launched two new smartphones under A series globally called Galaxy A37 and Galaxy A57. Both of these devices looks identical, but are different in terms of specifications. And among these two, the Galaxy A57 is the higher variant with additional features. Now let's have a look at the specifications of the Galaxy A57 smartphone. The new Galaxy A57 5G boasts a tall 6.7-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED Plus display, with up to 120Hz refresh rate and up to 1900 nits of peak brightness support. The screen is HDR10 Plus certified, and on the top it is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass Victus Plus. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Exynos 1680 chipset, paired with Xclip's 550 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 8 or 12 GB of LPDDR5X RAM and 128, 256, or 512 GB of onboard storage. As per the optics, the Galaxy A57 5G sports a vertically aligned triple camera setup on the rear that houses a 50-megapixel main camera with f1.8 aperture, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording. And there is 12-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens with 123-degree field of view, along with the 5-megapixel macro lens with f2.4 aperture. For selfies, it has 12-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center with f2.2 aperture, and both the front and rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 4K videos at 30 frames per second. The device comes backed by a large 5000 mAh battery, with 45 watts fast charging support, and it runs on Android 16 out of the box, with One UI 8.5 skin on top, and the company promises to provide 6 major Android upgrades. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP68 certified for dust and water resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 6.0, GPS, NFC, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 161.5 by 76.8 by 6.9 millimeters, and it weighs around 179 grams. So now let's explore the pricing details of this smartphone. The Galaxy A57 5G has been priced globally as follows. The smartphone will be available for purchase in awesome icy blue, awesome lilac, and awesome navy color options. So, what do you guys think of this Galaxy A57 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.